Have you ever experienced that horrifying moment of data loss? That instant when hours of your work, precious memories, or vital files vanish in the blink of an eye. The feeling of helplessness and frustration is indescribable, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a magical solution that can restore everything you've lost, and even more? A solution powered by artificial intelligence that can bring your lost data back to life, with precision and security. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another exciting video on your favorite channel, Valley 4 Techs. I'm Mostafa, and today we'll dive into the world of data recovery with a revolutionary tool that has changed the game entirely, RecoveryFox AI. This tool isn't just another file recovery program, it's your intelligent companion that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to guarantee data recovery with unparalleled precision. Whether you've lost family photos, important work documents, or even cherished video clips, RecoveryFox AI is designed to be the ultimate solution for you. What makes RecoveryFox AI stand out from the rest? Let's take a look at its key features. AI-powered recovery. Don't just retrieve data, rescue it intelligently. It uses artificial intelligence to precisely identify every missing piece of data and reconstruct it into complete files, making it ideal for various data loss scenarios. 98% recovery rate. Thanks to its advanced algorithms, RecoveryFox AI guarantees a success rate of up to 98% in recovering lost or deleted files quickly and accurately. Comprehensive file type and device support. Whether it's photos, videos, documents, compressed files, or even database files, RecoveryFox AI supports a wide range of file types and major file systems like NTFS, exFAT, and FAT32. It's also compatible with both internal and external storage drives, including HDDs, SSDs, portable USB drives, SD cards, and more. Non-destructive recovery. RecoveryFox AI operates in read-only mode, meaning it recovers data without any risk of data corruption or unintended changes to the recovered files. It causes no harm to your storage drives. User-friendly interface with simple steps. With its intuitive interface and 3 simple recovery steps, anyone can use it even with limited technical expertise. Preview before recovery. The program allows you to preview recoverable files, including videos, audio, documents, and images, before starting the recovery process, ensuring you retrieve the right files. Before we start recovering your lost data, let us show you how easy it is to get RecoveryFox AI and install it on your device. All you need to do is follow these steps. 1. Open your preferred browser, then visit the official RecoveryFox AI website. You'll find the link in the video description. 2. Click the Free Download button, then wait for the download to complete. 3. Once the download is finished, navigate to the folder where the application was downloaded, then right-click on the installation file and select Run as Administrator from the menu that appears. Click Yes in the message that appears to grant administrator privileges for the installation process. 4. The installation wizard will ask you to select the application's interface language. Simply open the drop-down menu and choose your preferred language, then click the OK button. 5. The installation wizard's welcome screen will appear. Just click the Next button. 6. Next, you'll see the license agreement screen. Simply click the I agree button. 7. Then you'll see the installation location selection screen. You can keep the default installation path or choose a different path to install the application on your device, then click the Install button. Finally, let the application finish the installation process, then click the Finish button. Always remember, for the best recovery results, install the program on a different drive than the one you lost your data from to avoid overwriting the lost files. Now, let's learn how to use RecoveryFox AI to recover your lost files. But before we start, let's use the application with a real-world scenario. This is my D drive, which contains several folders with my personal files, such as my photos and resume. These are important files to me. My tools, such as applications and tools I use in my work. These aren't important since I can download them again from the internet. My projects, like this project I built using Python programming language for image classification using artificial intelligence. This is a very important project. If I lose it, I would be extremely frustrated. So as a precaution, I'm going to compress the project folder to ensure I can recover a complete copy of the project in one folder. Now, I'm going to take a risk and format the entire D drive, confident that RecoveryFox AI will completely recover my important files. For those who don't know, to format one of your storage drive partitions, simply select the partition you want to format. In my case, it's the D drive, then right-click on it and select Format from the menu that appears. In the window that opens, click the Start button. A warning message will appear telling you that you'll lose all your data. Simply click the OK button to begin the formatting process. Great! Now the D drive is completely empty. Let's now learn how to use RecoveryFox AI to recover your lost files in 3 simple steps. Let's start by opening the RecoveryFox AI application. Go to the search bar, then type the word recovery, and the application will appear in the search results. Simply click on it to launch it. Now, let's take a close look at the user-friendly interface, which is designed to make the data recovery process extremely simple. When you run the program for the first time, you'll find yourself facing the main startup interface. In the upper right corner, you'll find the main menu represented by a 3 horizontal lines icon. When you click on it, you'll find options for registration, purchase, technical support, language change, social media links, and contact information, plus a program details section. You can access the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top menu bar. These very simple settings allow you to optimize scanning efficiency by skip empty space. Don't waste time on sectors without files. Skip temporary files, unnecessary items, .tmp, aren't important for recovery, so the application doesn't waste time on them. Skip contained files in archives. If you don't want to recover content from inside .zip or .rar files, save scanning time. Skip embedded subfiles, for example, thumbnail details inside large files. If you don't need them, let the application skip them. You can access help by clicking on the chat bubble icon in the top menu bar. This menu provides you with a complete knowledge base for the application. Also, you can access the shopping cart by clicking on the shopping basket icon in the top menu bar. Clicking on it opens the purchase or upgrade link for the paid version. From here, you can paste the license key that arrived in your email to convert the free version to a premium version, with all full features activated without restrictions. From the middle of the screen, your data recovery journey begins by selecting the location you want to scan. You can move your mouse cursor over the drive or location where you lost your data and click on it to start scanning. There are 2 main options. Specify a location. Under the Quick Access tab on the right, you'll find the most commonly used locations, such as recycle bin and desktop for easy access to the most common places where people lose their files. Select a drive. Under the Your Drives tab, you'll find all internal and external drives connected to your device. Now, let's learn how to use RecoveryFox AI to recover your lost files in 3 simple steps. As we mentioned in the previous section of this video, after running the RecoveryFox AI program, a simple interface will appear showing you a list of available storage locations on your device. Here, all you need to do is select the drive or location where you lost your data. Whether it's an internal drive, external drive, memory card, or even the recycle bin. Once you select the location, click on it to start the scanning process. In my case, I will choose the D drive. The scanning process in RecoveryFox AI consists of two main phases, Quick Scan and AI Scan. Quick Scan: this scan runs automatically to recover recently deleted files with their original names and folder structure. It usually takes seconds or minutes, and you'll find the results of this scan in a dedicated folder called Quick Scan under the File Path tab. AI Scan: once the quick scan is complete, the AI scan begins automatically. Thanks to its advanced algorithms, RecoveryFox AI can identify and reconstruct your lost data, regardless of the cause of data loss, as long as it hasn't been completely overwritten, into a single file and organize it by type for easy searching. During the scan, you'll find a scanning status bar at the bottom of the interface that displays the progress percentage, the number of files found, and the number of files you've selected for recovery. You can pause the scan temporarily or stop it completely, then restart it at any time. You can also return to the Start interface to reselect the location by clicking the Back button, or start the recovery process directly by clicking the Recover button. After the scanning process is complete, the scan results are organized in two main ways, by file path and by file type. File path: here, results are organized into folders based on the scan type, Quick Scan and AI Scan. In the Quick Scan folder, files are organized according to their original paths. In the AI Scan folder, files are grouped within folders named by file type. RecoveryFox AI can also detect and recover embedded content from various file types such as Word documents, PPT files, and zip archives, organizing them into dedicated folders. File type: under the File Type tab, scan results are categorized by file type. RecoveryFox AI supports classification of over 500 file types, including documents, images, video, audio, archives, and more. You can also filter results by type, date, and size using the filter icon. This feature allows you to narrow down your search based on modification date, file size, or even direct search by file name or keywords in the search bar. On the right side of the preview interface, you'll see a complete list of scanned results, organized under folders or categories. Each file includes information such as name, date, type, size, and details. To preview individual files, images, documents, web files, etc., right-click on the file and select Preview. RecoveryFox AI supports previewing a wide range of file formats. You'll notice that there are checkboxes next to all files and folders, allowing you to select individual files, subfolders, or entire categories. After making your selection, click the Recover button to begin the data recovery process immediately. But be aware, the unregistered version of the application allows you to scan and preview your data for free, so you can see what can be recovered before purchasing. In my case, I confirmed that my important files were present and intact during the preview process, so I didn't hesitate for a moment to purchase a lifetime license for the application. Indeed, the license arrived in my email. I copied the license key and pasted it into the application's registration screen. I now have the full-featured premium version of the application. I will now recover all files by selecting everything. Once you've selected the files you want to recover, simply click the Recover button. In the next step, you'll be asked to specify a location to save the recovered files. Choose any location you want, but always remember to save the recovered files in a different storage location than the original location, to avoid overwriting the lost data. All you need to do now is wait for the recovery process to complete, which may take some time. Congratulations! The recovery process has completed successfully. The message tells you how many files have been recovered. Once you click the OK button, it will open the folder where the recovered files have been stored. You can review these files to confirm that they have all been recovered and are working properly. In my case, I will verify that my important files that I mentioned at the beginning of this video have been recovered and are working without issues. Here is my resume in PDF format, present and opening without problems. And here are all my personal photos in PNG format, present and working without issues. Most importantly, here is my AI image classification project built with Python programming language, also present. What a wonderful feeling to be able to recover your important files after losing them. After completing the recovery process, you can click the Back button to return to the main application screen. A message will appear telling you that you'll lose the current scan results. If you're certain of your decision, simply click the Back button to return to the main screen. You can then select a new drive to scan, or close the application. RecoveryFox AI offers flexible pricing plans that suit everyone's needs, from individual users to large enterprises. Let's take a quick look at the available options. 1-week plan, $49.95, perfect for emergency situations, provides unlimited data recovery on one computer, with free updates and technical support. No automatic renewal. 1-month plan, $59.95, suitable for regular users or short-term projects, offers unlimited recovery on one device, with updates and technical support, plus a 7-day money-back guarantee. No automatic renewal. 1-year plan, $69.95, an excellent choice for professionals and businesses, provides the same features with 22% savings and a 30-day money-back guarantee. No automatic renewal. Lifetime plan, $99.95, the optimal solution for permanent users and IT experts. One-time payment gives you unlimited lifetime recovery, priority technical support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Pay once and recover your data forever. Remember that the unregistered version allows you to scan and preview your data for free, so you can see what can be recovered before purchasing. Don't let data loss ruin your day or your work. With RecoveryFox AI, you now have the smart and powerful tool you need to recover what you've lost with confidence and ease. Try RecoveryFox AI today and see for yourself how artificial intelligence can make a difference in the world of data recovery. Download RecoveryFox AI now. Don't let your data get lost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech tips. See you in another video.